Hi, Jacek from Prodio here. In this video, I will tell you about workers tab in Prodio and how to assign RFID key fobs to the workers. First of all, what do we have in the workers tab? Here we have database with all the workers that we've added into the system. Now, how to add a new worker? So we just click add, and here we just have to enter the worker's name, and pin code. And that's it. Now we can add the new worker. But if you want, we can add some more additional information like job position, work hour price, phone number, QR, RFID, additional information, and photo. And I highly recommend you to add the work hour price, because then you will have better order cost calculation later. So let's add the new worker. Now we have the new worker. And what else? We have option to adjust this tab to our needs. We can reorder the data. We can hide some data that we don't need. Switch how many default elements per page will be shown. Yeah, and that's it here. Now we can filter the workers by their name, pin code, etc., like in almost all the tabs. And we have option to edit the worker, and to deactivate the worker, and to remove the worker from the list. And now in our program, you cannot delete the worker that already has some data connected to him. So if he worked on the manufacturing task or he logged into work, you cannot just remove the worker, as you can see. Only thing you can do is to deactivate this worker. So maybe this one. And now when you switch it here, they will disappear. What else you can do in this tab? You can export the data about your workers, and for example then analyze it in the Excel or do what you need with that. You can generate the QR codes for the workers, and you can generate barcodes for the workers. And you have information about remaining available workers. And those remaining workers are the ones that are active. So if you deactivate the workers, then you will have more workers available, like this. And now about those QR codes, RFID tags, etc. To assign the RFID key fob to the worker, you just go to the worker's information, and then you just tap the key fob to the reader. And now you can save it, and your worker now have his own key fob with which he can clock in to work, clock into manufacturing tasks, and filter the list at the production schedule. And the same thing goes with the barcodes and QR codes for the workers. So now when your worker will go to production schedule and he wants to clock in, clicks here and taps his key fob, and he started working. And as I said, the same goes with the manufacturing task. So worker chooses the task and taps. Now he started working, and the same thing goes with clocking out the manufacturing task. So that's it when it comes to workers and assigning QR codes, barcodes, and RFID key fobs to them. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and tech tips. Additionally, check out what else we've prepared for you.